Hi guys, this is Nelson. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, hi, welcome. I know I've been gone for a while now, so I'm very excited to come back just today for you guys and film my beautiful video for you guys. And this video is my jewelry collection video. I'm so excited. I do apologize for like a lot of the background noises because obviously I'm Hmong, and yeah, my in-laws have a lot of chickens, and you know, there's just a lot of like chicken noises and all that stuff in the background, so you guys will just have to bear with me. And yeah, we're gonna go ahead and start. Okay, so first I want to show you guys the box that I purchased from Amazon, and basically I put like all my jewelry in there. Like, this is so cute. This is the box that I purchased from Amazon, obviously, and I'm obsessed with it. It has this nice like velvety gray material, suede I meant. Yeah, it has a suede material, you guys, and it's so soft, and it's just so aesthetically pleasing to look at and organize your jewelry. And I am obsessed with you guys. Oh, with you guys. I mean, I am obsessed with you guys, but I am obsessed with this a lot because it's just so cute, and it's a perfect way to organize your jewelry. The first pair of earrings I want to talk about in my collection is this one, and it has a lot of stars on it. It's a cuff earring, and they're two different earrings. You guys can see this one is like this, and then this side has the dangles on it. So yeah, this one is super cute, you guys. I fell in love with it when I saw it. Hmong artist Treasure sells these jewelries, so I purchased it when I saw her sell them on a live video. They're very, very gorgeous, and I'm obsessed with them, you guys. Like, you look so glamorous and everything. Sorry you guys, I keep looking in the thing to see if I'm like focused or not. So yeah, they look really gorgeous, you guys, and I love these pair so much. So those are my first pair of earrings. You guys won't be able to purchase these because some of these, they're hard to find and stuff, but I just wanted to, I'll post down the link down below of like where I got these and stuff like that. But some of them are gonna be I cannot talk. Yeah, that is what happened when you haven't not been filming for like ages. You cannot talk. So I'll be able to leave some of the information down for these jewelry pieces, but I can't guarantee that you guys will be able to find the same pair and whatnot. So I'm sorry about that, but I just wanted to, you know, give you guys an inspiration of like what type of jewelry I like and what kind of styles I enjoy wearing. So yeah, super cute. So that's the first one. So the second pair of earrings that I want to show you guys are these, and they're basically safety pin paper clips. I know they're so random, you guys, but I love them because they have rhinestones on it, and on top of that, it's just so like different, and it's really unique, I feel. So you can't really like find these anywhere. I did purchase most of this, the beginning ones that I'm going to show you guys. I did purchase it from Treasure. I will leave her Facebook down in the description box if you guys are interested in like purchasing earrings from her. I'll leave it down. But yeah, these are so cute, you guys. They're like basically cute little like paper clips. They're so random and so cute. I just love it so much, you guys. What do you guys think? But yeah, so cute, so random. You could be like so cute, right? So yeah, these are so cute. Whew, it's so hot, you guys. I'm like literally hot right now. Okay, and then now I have this beautiful angel wing neck cuff earring. It's so gorgeous, you guys. Like, just so gorgeous. And it has a little thing on the bottom. So yeah, this one's really nice too. It's just one piece, but I've been loving cuffs because I feel like they're really nice. Sorry, I'm gonna have to put them on. So this one looks like this on the ear. It's so gorgeous, you guys. So nice. I love it. It's like a cuff, but it's really elegant as well. It's so pretty. The next pair of earrings are these that I have. They're just basically like a circle with like these rhinestone look to it. They're really gorgeous, and they like literally shine with, you know, the sunlight hitting it. It's so gorgeous, you guys. So I love this pair too. And I got this pair from another Facebook boutique seller. This pair is so cute. Ooh, so cute. Hold up. Oh my gosh, you guys. It's so hard to put on these earrings when I'm like filming too. Okay, so this is how they look like on the ear, you guys. So cute, right? I am obsessed with these. Like, these are the type of earrings that you'll be wearing out with like those pretty fancy dresses where you're like going out to the ball or prom, or, you know, just to those formal dance parties, you know. I'm obsessed. So cute, you guys. What do you guys think? Super cute. Super cute. Okay, moving on. I have, okay guys, so next in my collection I have these cute, super cute angel wings earrings. Like, these are like so cute, you guys. I don't know, I can't focus, but they're gorgeous. Oh, so yeah, this one is from Treasure. Again, I buy a few pieces from her because I just love her like style of jewelry. So I've been really obsessed with buying like jewelry from her because I've just been like obsessed with her jewelry. Like the ones that she have, like her style is just like, oh yes, girl. So cute. Ooh, 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 look at that. So pretty. Go. Oh my god, I'm gonna have to crop this out. Okay, so look how gorgeous that looks on the ear. It's gold, and it's basically like an angel wing with dangles. So cute, you guys. I've been obsessed with this one. It's just my go-to earring. So pretty. I am obsessed with how gorgeous it looks on the face. I'm obsessed with this one. It's so pretty and just so like, yes, up my alley. So definitely, if you guys are interested, I will leave her information down in the description box. But these are really cute. Okay guys, next are these beautiful heart earrings, and I feel like I want to try them on no more because like I'm just feeling lazy. But I'm just gonna show you guys my jewelry. These are so gorgeous. They're basically rhinestone hearts, and they're so cute. I just love how they look. And yeah, I'm not gonna put it on, but I'll show you guys how they would look like if I was to wear it on. You know, super cute, you guys. Okay, you guys, I also have this gold one. It's like a circle with, it's a circle with, I can't show you guys well, but it's basically a circle with the rhinestones all around it. It's gold. It's so pretty. I love these studs or simple stuff like this. They're super duper cute, you guys. Oh yes, you guys, I just barely purchased this one. It's so gorgeous. I'm obsessed. They're basically these moon earrings, droplet earrings. Oh my gosh, you guys, look how beautiful they are. Ugh. So yeah, you just, if you guys want to see, it looks so gorgeous on. Just super gorgeous. I don't want to put it on because I'm lazy, but you guys get the point. It's super cute, and it dangles down. Oh, I'm obsessed. So cute. Yes. So yeah, these have so much detail to it. I can't tell you guys enough. It has all the gems and glitter and rhinestones, and it even to the dot, it has like rhinestone droplets, and it's just so gorgeous. These are like literally one of my favorite pairs of earrings. Definitely cute. Yeah, so these are like my favorite pair of earrings that I purchased so far, because I love butterflies, and I've been really into butterflies lately. I don't know why, something about them, like they're just so beautiful. And like I got these, they're so gorgeous, right? Oh, they're like little butterflies with like the dingles on the bottom and rhinestones. So glittery and gorgeous, you guys. I love these. These are like my favorite right now. Oh, so obsessed with it. So cute, you guys. So I love these so much. And then, okay, I think that's all for the earrings. Yeah, that is pretty much it for my earrings. I do have more earrings coming, but those are the ones that I purchased and the ones in my collection so far, and I'm loving them so much. So let's move on to rings. So I have a bunch of rings, and majority of them were rings in the past that my sister and them gave to me, because they did used to work for like a jewelry company. So I don't know how you guys could purchase them if you are interested in them, but I just want to show you guys the collection anyways. So I'm just gonna show you guys some pieces. Let me put them on. So I'm gonna do all the gold ones that I have. These are just like rhinestone crisscross type of rings right here. These right here, and they're nice. And then I have like really like vintagey vine leaf. So yeah, then I have these like leafy vintage ones. So these are really nice. I like these. And I don't wear rings on a daily basis, to be honest, because I just don't like it on my fingers sometimes. It's not really like comfortable. And then now I'm just going to show you all my silver ones that I have. So these are the ones. This, I have a heart one, like a crisscross silver. And then this one's so gorgeous, you guys. It is basically a pearl one. So nice. And this with the diamond. And then I have the star. Super gorgeous, you guys. Super gorgeous. Yes, these are my rings. You guys, I only have one pair of bracelet. I want to buy more because I do love bracelet too, but I just have not. This is the only pair that I have left, you guys, and I am obsessed with it. Okay, you guys. So it is a rose one. It's a gold rose one, and I'm gonna put it on and show you guys. It's adjustable. And it's so cute. On the, oh my gosh, it's so cute. Look. Oh, I'm obsessed. Well, let me put it right. Put it better so it looks cute for you guys. This is so cute, you guys. I am obsessed with how gorgeous this looks. I love this bracelet, you guys. It's so cute. I just love it so much. It just matches everything, and I love roses. So this one is definitely one of my favorite piece of jewelry that I have. And this one has made me fall in love with bracelets, so I do want to order more bracelets in the future. But yeah, so far this one is the only one that I have, but it's so cute. Yeah. Lastly, I'll show you guys some of the necklaces I have, and I love necklaces. So yeah, you guys already seen two of the long ones that I originally told you guys about in one of my past videos or whatever. But yeah, these are the long ones that I have, the adjustable one, and I've shown you guys these already, so I'm not gonna really go into details with it. So yeah, and this one is like kind of like a choker. I'm not choker, but a layer. This one's kind of like a layer long necklace. So yeah, I've already showed you guys these. So those are still in my collection. And then recently my husband bought me my name necklace, and I am obsessed with it, you guys. It basically looks like this. It's silver and it has my name on it. It has my name on it. It says Nelson. And you guys definitely invest in a name necklace because they're just so cute. Like, I'm obsessed. Definitely love it so much. So that is in my collection. And then lastly is this one, which holds a lot in my heart. Holds a lot in my heart. Holds a lot in my heart. I mean, holds a lot of value in my heart because my husband, he did buy me this one from my graduation. So I love it. And it's super simple, but yet so cute. And I'm pretty sure you guys might have seen me wear this a couple of times, but it's so gorgeous. Like, you guys cannot see the details on it, but it's gold and then it has like silver rhinestones in it. Oh, I'm obsessed. This thing is really shiny in real life. Like, you could see the shine like from afar, you guys. Trust me. So gorgeous and so cute. Okay guys, so that is pretty much for all my jewelry collection. I don't have much, but I do have like a good amount. I do have more pieces coming. But yeah, that's pretty much it, you guys. I hope you guys are doing well and having a wonderful 2020. Even though I'm like, to be honest with you guys, this year 2020 has been so like bad. It's just been so bad. You guys already know like all the life events that are happening now in the world, and on top of that, like, I've been having a lot of personal stuff in my life that I've been having to deal with. So it's been a really bad year. So I just hope that, you know, eventually this year will end, because honestly 2020 is not the year, you guys. It's not the year. Definitely not my year. So yeah, pretty much it. I've just been busy working, nothing much, you guys. Make sure to follow me on my Instagram so you guys could stay updated with me, because I don't post that much videos on here, but I do like to post a little bit of like my daily or weekly life on Instagram. So you guys stay updated with me over there. And that's pretty much it, you guys. I don't have much. Oh yeah, also I have a new home decor page on Instagram, so I will link it down below for you guys, and you guys can follow me on there too, because I've been really into home decor and jewelry lately. I haven't been really into makeup that much lately. So yeah, that's pretty much it, you guys. And if you guys haven't subscribed, make sure to hit that subscribe button, you guys, and I'll see you guys in my future video. Bye guys. Oh, also, you guys, I miss you guys. I don't know if I said that, but I really did miss you guys, and I miss filming. So yeah, pretty much. So I'll try to come back and film whenever I get a chance, but for now, I hope that you guys really did enjoy this video. All right, bye guys.